Oh, this nigga smacked at that.
Only in Brooklyn on the L train.
This is a Rockaway Parkway bound L train. The next stop is East 105th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This nigga doing crip walk. Yo, this nigga doing crip walk. Oh nah, this nigga's a bugger. Everybody got the matches. Oh, what? Oh, fix it. Yo, that nigga's mad at that. Wants to pack or some shit. I'm about to battle this nigga. Let's skip to my... Yo, so that's my email, please.
This nigga.
Scratch it with that.
This is East 105th Street.
It's like some TV shit. Yo, I could have seen this shit on TV.
This is a Rockaway Parkway bound L train. The next and last stop is Canarsie Rockaway Parkway.
Yo, I can't even switch the video to look at yourself though. On some G shit. This nigga is wildin'. OD.
Oh, nigga got balls.
And he got balls.
Peace out. Yeah. You remind me of Remy. What's that movie called?
What?
Wait. And that nigga's about to turn into like the Nazi. Sniping that guy.
Can't remember.
Canarsie Rockaway Parkway.
Yo, this shit is going right on Facebook, son.
That shit on. Write my name.
YouTube.
Write my name. Write my name.
Son.
My attitude.
Yo, this shit is wow. Yeah.
Soon I get that shit, I'll put that shit right on Facebook.
My son Rocky over here. Nah, he come over here with that though.
You think you come over here without flowing this thing? I swear to God. You come over here and swing. Hold that. Nigga just
Oh, this nigga.
oh.
Hey.
That shit was loud, motherfucker. Open the door. I'm trying to get out.
Yeah.
This is some bullshit. Don't fuck with MTA.
Only in Brooklyn. Only in Brooklyn.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with the New York City train.
Where is this nigga from? Where do you find people like this?
That shit was too
Only in Brooklyn, you heard?
Ew.
That shit was too funny. That shit was too funny.
Where do you find
This nigga had the
people?
money. I thought he was about
50
to
Tyson, boy. 50 Tyson looking like
That nigga is wild.
When you see that nigga again, it's over.
I want you to try to rest that nigga, boy.
Yo, boy, he did that. When I seen that, he dropped the bagel. What the fuck?
He did it up and
What you said?
Okay.
Oh, that nigga shaking though.
Let me get my shit, boy. So.
Yo.